Hello everyone, welcome to Manali Art Channel, and today we will be seeing gradient, and we'll be applying this gradient to draw a beautiful gradient of sky later on. Okay, so first understand what is the gradient. I will just write over here gradient. So here we will first use the darkest color. What is the darkest color in our color palette? Black. And what is the lightest is the white. Okay, so black is absence of white, white is absence of any color. So we will take black and white color. In this exercise, we'll do shading, gradual gradation of this black color transitioning into complete white. Okay, so on one end you can give this black color. So how gradient is different from this shading is in the gradation we can use different colors. So beginning, at the beginning you have to just make black, and as you go further you have to decrease the quantity of your black. Okay, decrease the pressure. If you have done pressure exercises, you will be able to do this easily. Okay, and then very little, and in the last we will keep it white. So here you just have to give white, complete white, and then give white as you move over here, and very little white on the left side. Okay, as you go from right to left, the quantity of white will decrease. So in between you can just clean the color so that you will have good mixing. Okay, and here you can just smudge this using an earbud. So I am smudging it from white to darker shade. I really feel it very easy to use fingers for the bigger part. So that is why I use gloves, and you can also prefer gloves. So here you can get this gradation. I'm just increasing the whiteness at the right side because I feel it is somewhat mixed in the gray. Okay, so here I have given this white again, and now I will use another finger. Okay, so this completes the gradation from black to white transition. Okay, now we will do color gradient, one color gradient and then two color gradient. Okay, so I think we have done one of the color in the last class, pink color we have done. So no problem, we'll do it again, and then we'll start with the two color gradation. Okay, so this one, two color gradient. So here we will take, instead of pink, I think we have used pink a lot. I will prefer to use green this time. So this is olive green color from the natural use palette, and it's also called as hooker's green. I will just add different pressure zones for this color. Okay, like this. And here I am taking a light green shade. So on the right side I have given the dark green completely. On the left right side I will give this light green, and in between we will find a gradient. Okay, just increase the quantity on the left side a little bit. You can just smudge it using your finger. It's very easy actually, but still we need to do mastery in this case. Okay, because in many nature drawings we have to do this kind of shading. Okay, the next is three color gradient. Three color gradient. And here, yeah, in monocolor, instead of light green you can take directly white, as we have done with the black. Okay, and for the two color we have taken the shades of two different. Now three color gradient. So here we will just take orange, red and yellow. That will be easy. Okay, so I'm taking red, orange, yellow. I will first add this red color over here. So see, I'm giving very thick color for the beginning. Then I will make it divided into three parts. Very little pressure over here, as we have seen in the pressure control exercise. Second, orange. So I will just put orange over here, and see, this color will be dark in the next part, then lighter, and then lighter. Okay, and here lastly we have to use yellow. Okay, and here also we'll do shading using fingers. Okay, so this is three color gradient. Now you can use four color gradient, like here I will show you in a minute. Like here I am taking this purple, then I am using a little bit of pink, Then I'm using little bit of orange. Then little bit of yellow. Okay. And now if suppose you merge it, it will also give a beautiful blend. Okay. In the sky you can see different colors, and there you can use this kind of gradient techniques. Okay. So this is about gradient, and now we will do one mini project of the sky where we'll draw gradation, this gradient, and we will establish three or four color gradient, and then we'll give the sky effect. Okay. So without wasting time, let's start. So here I have just put the washi tape on all the four sides, and we will do the shading. This gradation, we will establish the gradation over here, and we'll do a small landscape using the gradation technique. Okay, so in the beginning I will be giving this pink color. Just in the beginning you can give little darker pink, and then can decrease the quantity as you go further. Also I have little lighter shade of the pink, the pastel shade. So I'm giving this color on the left side because sky, though it has this kind of gradation, we can use different colors. I'm taking little bit of peach to show the transition. When you do the transition very slow and with a smooth blending, like pink and peach don't have too much contrast and also has the same color scheme. Okay, now I am using orange. If you do directly with the pink and orange, it may give little bit of contrast, and it can create difficulty to blend it smoothly. Now I am taking this yellow. So yellow I am giving now. Now you have to use this light yellow. This is a chrome yellow. All the shades are from the vibrant. Now I will be giving pink again because I want to show some grass and bush. So I'm just establishing this scene with this gradation, and then little bit of magenta. That also works very nice, and that's it. We are done with this coloring part. Now what we will do, we will just merge. Just make sure your hands are clean and you can directly use your finger. You can also use tissue paper. How beautiful it is merging, right? And here I'm just applying black color. A little bit of sap green. And we just merge it. As this is a smaller part and I don't want to mess with this black color, I am just using this q-tip. You can also use the q-tip or tissue paper. Once you establish the gradient, it is now easy to show other details. So here I will just add sun. So sun will be white, and we can add little bit cloud. You can use pink color. And white color beneath. And just smudge it little bit with round stroke. Okay. And give little bit of red over here. And I'll just merge this one. Okay. And that's it. You are finished with this beautiful color gradient of the sky, and you can do many projects using these techniques. Thank you.